guys, Alina with iFoodReal.com here. Born and raised in Ukraine, even I find cabbage rolls a lot of work. So today we're going to make Instant Pot cabbage rolls. Lazy, easy way, and they can even be a freezer meal. Let's do it. On Instant Pot, press saute and wait until display says hot. Then swirl oil and add 2 cloves of garlic and onion. Cook for a few minutes, stirring occasionally. Then you want to add your ground meat and spices. Cook for another 4 to 5 minutes, constantly stirring and breaking meat into pieces. Meat won't get browned and some pink pieces are okay. And I like doing so under a hood fan so all the cooking fumes go through the exhaust. Just make sure you don't turn on the stove at the same time. Now we're going to add shredded cabbage. And you want it to be shredded medium shred, not too thin and not too thick so it doesn't completely dissolve. And we're going to stir. It helps to separate turkey into smaller pieces and act as a thicker layer to prevent tomatoes going to the bottom and causing the dreaded burn. Add any stock, and here I have a low sodium bouillon cube diluted in boiled water because it does speed up Instant Pot coming to pressure, but you can use just regular carton stock. Brown rice, tomato paste, and diced tomatoes. I am out of 1 can of diced tomatoes, so I'm using tomato sauce. And the most important thing is leave it like this and do not stir, and this much room is enough for pressure to build up even in 6-quart Instant Pot. Now close the lid, and I like to line this chubby part at the end with chubby part. Make the sealing valve is on sealing. And if you haven't pressed cancel yet, here is your chance to cancel it from saute. So press cancel. And depending on the Instant Pot model, you either have pressure cook or manual button. This is pressure cooking button. So press that and make sure it's on high pressure. This is Instant Pot Lux. It cooks only on high pressure. And we want 22 minutes. After this, display will say on. And Instant Pot will start building up pressure, which should take about 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on how large is your Instant Pot. 8-quart will take longer to come to pressure. So after 22 minutes, release the pressure immediately by turning the valve from sealing to venting. I also like to release the pressure under the hood fan to avoid kitchen smelling like food for days. And after the pin drops down, it is safe to open Instant Pot. And look at this beauty. So now, we just have 2 ingredients left to add. It is my secret ingredient, a garlic clove. Fresh garlic adds amazing flavor at the end, and also fresh dill. And if you think this recipe makes a lot, watch it disappear. Enjoy!